Today, my mother, Shamala Gopalan Harris, who is always in our hearts.
Because
Yes.
you are Indian.
Yes.
Okay, and I don't know that everybody knows that, but I find that wherever I go and I see Indian people at the supermarket, on the street, everyone's like, you know Kamala Harris is Indian, right? It's like the thing we're so excited about.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू एपी ज्ञान चैनल, जहां पे आपको मिलता है लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ फ्रॉम पाक मीडिया। तो आज की एक बहुत ही यूनिक वीडियो है और जैसा कि आप जानते हैं वहां पे जो बाइडन जीत चुके हैं अमेरिका के अंदर और उनके जो सहयोगी हैं वो हैं कमाला हैरिस, जो कि अमेरिका के अब बनेंगे उपराष्ट्रपति और वो हैं इंडिया के साथ उनका एक बहुत ही एक मजबूत संबंध है। बिकॉज कमाला हैरिस के जो माता पिता वो इंडियन थे और जो उनके रूट है इंडिया के साथ काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। तो एक तरह से कह सकते हैं इंडिया के लिए एक खुशियों का माहौल है। और इनफैक्ट उनके गांव में जो कमाला हैरिस की गांव है वो उनके चुनाव के समय से उनको सपोर्ट करता आ रहा है और उनके गांव में जगह जगह होर्डिंग पोस्टर लगे हुए हैं कमाला हैरिस के फेवर में। और आज जब वो जीत चुकी हैं अमेरिका के चुनाव तो उनका गांव खुशियों से जगमगा उठा है, वहाँ पे एक खुशी का माहौल है। तो आइए सबसे पहले इस वीडियो को देखते हैं, फिर हम बात करेंगे।
Today, my mother, Shamala Gopalan Harris, who is always in our hearts. When she came here from India at the age of 19, she maybe didn't quite imagine this moment, but she believed so deeply. We are so grateful to Joe and Jill for welcoming our family into theirs on this incredible journey. And to the woman most responsible for my presence here today, my mother, Shamala Gopalan Harris, who is always in our hearts. When she came here from India at the age of 19, she maybe didn't quite imagine this moment, but she believed so deeply in an America where a moment like this is possible. And so I am thinking about her and about the generations of women.
So what we're going to cook today is an Indian recipe.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
you are Indian.
Yes.
Okay, and I don't know that everybody knows that, but I find that wherever I go and I see Indian people at the supermarket, on the street, everyone's like, you know Kamala Harris is Indian, right? It's like the thing we're so excited about to have you running for president.
Yeah.
So we're both Indian,
Yes.
but actually we're both South Indian.
Yes. You look like the entire one half of my family.
Okay, thank you.
You do.
I've been telling people
You
we're
do.
related already,
Yeah.
so this is perfect. It's basically true. And so, were you raised eating South Indian food?
South Indian food.
Okay,
Lots
so
of rice.
what we're cooking today is two things. One of the South Indian staples is dosa,
Yeah.
which is kind of like a sourdough crepe. And then we're going to make a potato curry, which is the traditional accompaniment. So I printed
Okay.
out... So
Where did you
we're
get
doing
this
it the
recipe?
old-fashioned way, which is I printed out a recipe from the internet.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, so when I told my dad that I was going to be cooking South Indian food for you, he
Yes.
was extremely excited. He said, "I shall get the spices." But he took them all the Indian spices, and he put them
In the Taster's Choice jars. And this is exactly what my mother would do. So when I walked in and saw this, literally, I didn't know it was actually a thing among our
I
people.
guess it's an Indian thing.
It apparently is a thing.
Okay, cool. So this is all the spices we're going to use, courtesy of my dad.
Okay.
And then dosas take a really long time to make the
Yes.
batter. So what we have is this great company, this Indian company actually,
Oh.
makes ready to make. You can get it at the Indian store. So
Okay.
we're busy to make it like crispy.
Oh, that's smart.
My dad kind of always did this. Hi!
This is your father?
This is my dad, Avu.
Hi, Uncle.
Dad, this is Senator Harris.
To meet
How
you.
are you?
Nice to meet
It's
you.
so good to meet you.
Thank you for coming.
My grandparents lived in Bessenecker.
Yeah, actually,
They were in
my
the-
family lives.
Yes, I would go and take walks on the morning
On the beach,
on the
yeah.
beach with my grandfather.
Yeah.
Dad, do you know that her family keeps spices in Taster's Choice
We
bottles
would
too?
keep the same in Taster's Choice bottle. Why is it that you guys keep these things in Taster's Choice? I never asked, but my mother drank Taster's Choice coffee every morning, so I guess, and we recycle everything, of course.
Wait, Senator Harris, what do you think of
Okay.
this dosa? Think it's done?
That's really good.
I think it's going to be pretty good. There we go.
Wow, I am really impressed.
Okay, so now the components are all ready. And we're just gonna take the potato and put it into the dosas.
Yum.
And now we'll fold them over. That was the better way to do it. Yes, wait.
Look at how gorgeous that is.
I'm gonna do the same thing on mine. So, masala dosa. Thank you for eating this. I would give this a hard B-. The dosas weren't, I didn't think they were,
But the flavor is very nice.
thank you. I was nervous cooking in front of you.
But you shouldn't be. You're such a good cook.
Okay. Thank you.
Very good.
Maybe when you're in the White House, I can come and cook you a meal. Thank you so much for cooking in my home with me.
I'm so glad to be with you.
I'm so honored and excited to vote for you.
You're the best.
तो फ्रेंड, आपने देखा कि किस तरह से जो कमाला हैरिस हैं वो एक काफ़ी बिंदास और काफ़ी एक अच्छे बोल चाल वाले ये वक्ता हैं और उनका जो स्टाइल है, जो ऑरा है, काफ़ी एलिगेंट है। और अब जबकि वो अमेरिका का जो चुनाव है वो जीत चुके हैं, तो ऑफ कोर्स कह सकते हैं कि जो कमाला हैरिस के लिए खुशियों का कोई ठिकाना नहीं है। ऑफ कोर्स वो खुश होंगी, लेकिन उनके साथ साथ जो उनका पूरा गांव है, इनफैक्ट इंडिया खुश हो रहा है कि इंडियन अमेरिका के बीच में जो एक और स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्ड मजबूत हुआ है। और कह सकते हो कि जो उनका गांव जिस तरह से अभी खुशियों से जगमगा रहा है, उनके गांव में इनफैक्ट अभी से दिवाली मननी शुरू हो गई है। और वहाँ पे इनफैक्ट चुनाव के समय से ही वहाँ पे पूजा अर्चना की जा रही थी। कमाला हैरिस के जो सपोर्ट में जगह जगह होर्डिंग पोस्टर लगाए गए थे। तो आज उस जगह के लिए साथ ही साथ जो इंडिया के लिए कह सकते हैं एक महत्वपूर्ण दिन है। भले ही ट्रम्प न जीत पाए हो, जो कि इंडिया एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था, बिकॉज मोदी जी और ट्रम्प के साथ एक जो रिलेशनशिप था, बॉन्डेज था, लेकिन फिर भी इंडिया को एज ए नेशन कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता कि ट्रम्प जीते या जो बाइडेन जीते। लेकिन अगर यहाँ क्योंकि जो बाइडेन जीते हैं, तो जो कमाला हैरिस हैं उनका, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, जो उनका एक इंडियन रूट है जुड़ा हुआ है, उनके जो पेरेंट हैं वो इंडिया से हैं, साउथ इंडिया से हैं। तो इसलिए उनके साथ अमेरिका और इंडिया के बीच में एक और कड़ी मजबूत हुई है। तो आई होप आज की वीडियो आपको काफ़ी पसंद आया होगा। तो मिलेंगे इसी के साथ एक नई वीडियो के साथ। थैंक यू, बाय बाय, जय हिंद, जय भारत।